found my hat. What's going on, everyone? Jeremy Ritz here. Courage pays better than fear trading. Nobody cares. Work harder is what I keep saying to myself. Right about now, I'm at the midway point of my September challenge, my 4 a.m. wake-ups, 25 pull-ups a day, 100 push-ups a day, 3 miles a day, back trading 45 minutes a day, 1 gallon of water a day, and one effort to uplift spread positivity a day. So hasn't been perfect, but probably like 98, 99%. The wake-ups have been on. But we're pushing, man, and I hope you guys are crushing it out there too. And tomorrow, big day. It is Fed Day. And I am excited. We get to see the rate decision. Are we getting a quarter point cut? I just got done running. Are we getting a half point cut? What is the dot plot going to look like? Because we get an updated dot plot. We get updated rate projections. And what is Jerome Powell going to say at 2:30 p.m.? And whatever the move is, I don't think the true move will come until he's talking. I could be wrong, but whenever I did my market review preview on Sunday, we did the live stream. Shout out to everybody who joined me for that. When you go and look at last year going into rate cuts, it was kind of a mixed bag. In some cases, it sold down a little bit before running higher. In some cases, it sold down after and then ran back up. In December, it went down hard whenever Powell started speaking because he was a bit hawkish in terms of rate cuts in the future. So we just don't know what he's going to say. Now, if you remember back to Jackson Hole, he was pretty dovish. We had that massive banger of a day. I was live streaming that one too and couldn't capitalize on that volatility. But it's going to be fun. Tomorrow's going to be fun. And the way I'm looking at it is we've got to get some type of correction. I'm exclusively playing probability here. I'm going to be flat. I'm not going to have any major positions, swing trades. I won't be day trading it, but I do have some spreads where I will try to capitalize on any downside, any major volatility to the downside, because that's where the most reward is. And with these spreads, I've been setting these up the last few weeks, losing like a couple $100 each time, nothing significant. All I have to do is hit one of them. I have to catch one big massive move and it's going to pay big. Now, even if we do get some volatility like that, let's say we get a 100-point drop, we get 150 points, 200 points. We've seen that before here in these last 6 months. I don't think that means that we're entering bear territory, not by any stretch of the imagination, because we are still bullish. It's just we're extended. Things are pricey. Things are expensive right now, and that needs to cool off. They need to become more inexpensive, cheaper, and then you'll have people who will step back in, and then we could make our next leg up in this market. So that's how I'm playing it. The way things have been going, these bulls have been so strong. Do I think it's going to happen? No. But again, I'm a probability trader. I'm playing the probability here. If I lose, I lose small. If we continue to go up, I'll just continue to do quick day trades, scalps up. Find stocks that are in good value areas that I'm bullish on. TTD, we'll have that video out soon, and take advantage of that. So that's my take on things as we stand right now. And keep in mind too, we've talked a lot about seasonality in September and October. October typically being where market corrections bottom, and then we get a run out of there, and then November starts the best 6 months of the stock market. We're flying completely in the face of seasonality. And so you have to wonder, let's say that we just continue to run for the rest of September, and then October we just continue to run. Well, then what does that mean for November and December in the Santa Claus rally? So I'm interested to look at statistics on that to see whenever you do have an up September and up October, what happens in November and December, if the correction just gets pushed out or if you just continue to launch. So interested in checking that out and seeing how that plays out. So other than that, guys, I'm actually driving. I did a little run here midday, got a little 4 miles in, and I saw this bull. I posted a short about it, a bull missing one side of his horns, and he looked pissed off. And I said, I hope that's not an omen for the bulls here coming up. But finished my run, and I'm actually going to get a pumpkin spice coffee. Go ahead and make fun of me, I don't care. And I'm just enjoying this little drive here today. It's raining. September 16th, and life is good. And I hope that you guys are having an amazing day. I hope life is treating you fantastically. And shout out to all my boot campers. We had night 1 last night. Night number 2 is tonight. That was a lot of fun. Looking forward to this evening. And that's going to do it for this episode of Driven. Fed tomorrow. Join me for the live stream. Would love to have you there. We are going to start at probably like 2:20 to make sure I have everything set up, because you know me, those live streams, I'm still working out the glitches, but I'd love for you to be there with me. Let's watch it together. Let's see the moves in the market, and let's make it a great day. Honor the moment, everyone. Enjoy your day.